Alright, so working on the door. I got the old one off. Gonna put in the new one. Finish the glass or the plastic window basically. So just gotta pop off some of these clips, swap it onto the new one, and then we're putting on the new door into the center console. So I'm going to pull this one out. So we go here. This is the new door, or the old door. This will be the new door. We'll go in there like so. Before I start that, I gotta put the crystal handle, which is great. Oh, here it is. Alright. This here, which basically gonna match the crystal knobs. So I just woke up. I need to freaking put a hair tie on. But, so the crystal knob will go here. This will be the door. Got to drill a hole still. Got to get the correct screw because this one's way too long. So, I'm going to actually go see if I have an extra one. I can get the drill bit and then drill a hole. So, I'll go do that right now. Alright, so I drilled out the hole, added here, but this screw is way too long, so I'm gonna have to run down to Ace Hardware real quick, get the correct size because it needs to be flush with this, and then I'll be good. And then should be there to where I can open and close. I left this window open with a card holder there because I actually have a USB that goes here. So you can play music or hook up a USB and have just thousands of music. But I'm hooking up the USB because I have a light that will shine through here, and I'm using this card holder spot as a pocket to hold it. So then when I'm driving, it'll reflect, and I'm using the chrome tape to give it more of an effect to bounce off of. So I'm going to go ahead and take this to Ace Hardware and get a screw that's shorter. So I'll be right back. As I let the car warm up, currently got everything off. So this is the USB that connects. So on that door, it'll be hitting up lights, which I have like something similar to like this one I have. This one I just let it play and shines in this area. But it's USB and it just does like a whole disco light thing. I noticed I need to get this screw here, missing a screw there, missing a screw here, so I have to go get screws from the junkyard eventually. But yeah, Ace is like literally down the street, so I'm gonna go over there, grab what I need. Like I said, I did the bedazzle things here. I got headphones now. I just gotta print out the Scion or Lexus stickers, and then we're good to go. So almost done. Just gotta get that right size for this, and so it's flush, and then boom, done. So almost there, little by little, and then I'll have that door that sits like that. So match the pillars, the crystal knobs, and give a little light, display. So something different. I never seen anyone do this before, so it's nice to have something that be the first. So all right, I'm going to get this going, and I'll be back at the house before this battery goes dead on the camera. So all right. So screw is nice and flush. Kind of makes it a wedge so it doesn't break apart because it is a two-piece. Oh, poor guy. All right, let's put this together. All right, so I'm gonna pop it in. Don't have a stand. My battery's low, so I'm gonna put everything together, and then we'll see you before and after. So before and after. So all done. That's what it looks like. The fog light, I popped off like the whole complete switch, so I gotta check if my fog lights work, but that's what it looks like. So I have one of these little lights in there. Will shine through the card holder. I'm gonna start the car. And these are little cheapy things you get at the dollar store, so waiting for that to load, and there it goes. So when I'm driving, it'll shoot out. But I need to check my fog lights. I didn't break the fog light switch. And they work. I just need to turn them, the lights. I can put them in wrong. Copyrights. So, fog that. So headlights are good, fog lights are good. Light is good. Hell yeah, I'm happy. Cool, little VIP thing going on. And then I changed this out, put like the chrome wrap in there. So it'll give it more of a sparkle fleck with the jewels. But yeah, we're getting ready. So trying to get everything situated for that car meet or car show. Hopefully I can win a trophy for Danny and give it to his mom, like I said. That's the goal. And then been searching up some other stuff, and hopefully things go through with that. Because then if you're here till the end, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek or sneak of what's going to be on the channel. But I'm already looking into purchasing a case swap for a track build for the channel. So if things go right, we're going to be picking up another car, and we're going to be doing a case swap and going to track it. So I'll have my time attack car again. So yeah, so here we go. This is it. I'm digging it. We got the crystals to match now. So the door still works. It flushes, locks. Everything's good. So hell yeah. Alright y'all, I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you made it this far and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot, guys. Make sure you like and shoot me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. So, alright y'all, peace.